Make better documents. Hi, I'm Cassandra and this is Make Better Documents. In this video series, we'll take a look at a document. We'll look at 3 good things about the document and 3 things that could be better. In today's episode, we're going to be taking a look at a double-sided flyer. So here we'll take a look at it. And this flyer is mostly used for advertising this particular service. The first good thing about this document are these beautiful photos. So something that's really good about these photos is, while I learned about this at a wedding, they've made it very clear from the other sorts of events that this could be used at any kind of event. It doesn't have to just be a wedding. And then also on that note, with this image here, their product is actually front and center. It's these cool vintage phones. The next thing that's really good about this document is using clear instructions. So they've actually done a whole page on the back. It's a new service. People don't really know about this service yet or how it would work. So they've made it very clear. They've given a little icon and an instruction, and it sort of goes through each of the different things to consider when using their service. I think something that's really good about this is the way that they have found that balance between telling the customer a lot of information, but also sort of restraining and just making it seem as simple and effortless as possible. Which brings me on to my third good thing about this document, which is the concise text. It's almost like they picked every single word. They didn't want to do one word too many. So throughout the entire flyer, they've really kept their language concise. Something that could be better about this document is color contrast. So I find that this pink text here, it's just a little bit light. The pink isn't such a problem with these icons and the heading at the top because they're that little bit thicker, but this text, the text itself is quite light. It's not very thick, it's not very bold. And so that in combination with the pink on white makes it actually quite hard to read. The next thing that could be better is to do with the icon thickness. So I understand that somebody has just found the icons. That's great. That's how a lot of designers do it. But a couple of these icons are just much thicker than the others. So this phone icon is just a lot thicker than the little heart one. And so something that could be better is if they took that SVG or that EPS and they adjusted, they edited the icons so then they would be the same thickness for all of them. The third thing that could be better is to do with contrasting the font sizes. So in this, the heading is just so big on this page, and arguably the most important thing on here would be the contact block in order to be able to contact them. So I think it would have been better if the How It Works text was shrunk just a little bit more, and maybe they could have even put the logo up the top, because then it sort of reads a little bit more like the message code How It Works. And then this content block here, I think if it were the same size text as this text up here, it would have been easier to then see that call to action and all those contact details. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make better documents, making the world a more beautiful place, one document at a time.